Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying access. Sign in and confirm your account email, and any 2FA prompts so authentication isn't the blocker. Once done, clear the browser cache or open an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Use the latest Chrome or Firefox for best compatibility. Also, restart your device. This flushes stuck processes, and glance at the app status indicator to see if servers are down, because that explains many sudden failures. Next, isolate connectivity and permission issues. Switch to a mobile hotspot or wired Ethernet to test your network path and try a public DNS like 1.1.1 if routing looks suspect. Then make sure privacy extensions are off, cookies are allowed, and any microphone or camera permissions are granted. These often block features. Reproduce the problem with a fresh character, export logs, or copy exact error text, and record steps so you can compare before and after changes to find the root cause. Finally, perform final recovery. Reset the app settings or uninstall and reinstall to remove corrupted local data. If you have backups, restore them. Otherwise, recreate the character and copy saved prompts manually so nothing critical is lost. Make sure to test after each change, and if issues persist, collect logs, exact timestamps, device model, OS version, and browser info before contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip: try the documented workaround or alternative client first. It often reveals whether the problem is account, server, or device specific.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.